What's up, tribe? Thank you for being here and welcome to my channel. This will be a general reading for Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. We started off with the stuck in the mud, and I have an ongoing story with the elephants. They're everywhere. They just keep popping up, and I didn't know what they were saying in the beginning. I thought the message was to open your heart and listen to others, or listen to what's not being said by others, but feeling what they're trying to say with your heart. Something along these lines. But I've come to realize that what they're trying to say is remember that you are. Remember who you are. Remember that you are. Remember who you are. Remember you are a star. Okay, I'm going to stop there. What they're trying to say is the old ways of thinking and believing are having your journey and your movement in your path be heavier and denser and more weighed down, and is weighing you down in a way that you find it very hard to move, and are slowing down your journey. I'm also being drawn to the fact that this bird is the only energy that's looking this way. Everybody else is, looking different ways, but mostly this way or this way. So this might be the small, teeny tiny sensation or thought that's telling you that might not be the way to go. That might not be the way to think about it. Because here, this momentum, this journey is all about, she's dreaming about something. She's got the key in her hand, but she doesn't look like she's going anywhere. She's definitely not going anywhere. She's just sitting there, being so sick with longing and nostalgia and yearning for a soulmate, yearning for the good old days. I don't know, just yearning. She's yearning and she's praying. See her reflection. Her reflection is praying, like a younger version of her praying. And here she's just longing. And she has the same gesture, she's praying. And here in the field of dreams, again, it talks about dreaming, dreaming of him or her while brushing my hair, dreaming of what could be and this is walking a tightrope between listening to my desires, my hopes of what could be, and being. It's like this is pulling her, you know what I mean? This longing, this yearning is weighing her down. And this is all the letters, not the love letters from different, look at, this is all the letters you wrote to God. God, could I please, I would like a soulmate that understands all my needs before I even say anything about it. And I'd like a soulmate that is generous and compassionate and passionate and understanding and loving and blah, 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 right? You're burning all of these now because the teeny tiny little bird whispered in your ear and said, do I recognize the divine aspect in me? Can I realize that I am a cell of God and therefore I am the universe itself? Do I recognize the divinity in everything that exists? And then I am divinity. I become aware of all deities, saints, projections of divinity, and even moments when I delegate my responsibility to God. If God wants, the universe will have. I acknowledge every time I take away the power to hand it over to the outside and get it back by taking my full attention to my crown. I name myself king or queen of myself by donning the crown of consciousness. The little bird is Matthias de Stefano. I know, I don't stop going on about him, but that's just the way it is. That's just the way it is. Why are things not going to be the same again? Because you're burning that. You're burning, testimonies of you're powerless, and you're taking the power back. I co-create with spirit. I co-create with the universe. I co-create with the divine. I do not hand it over my responsibility and say, I'm going to sit here and brush my hair. You bring me a lover. You bring me all the money. You bring me all the joy. You bring me everything. And I'm just going to sit there and be pretty. No. No. That's not going to work anymore. You have a responsibility to create these things that you long for, female or male. Yes, I'm all for being receptive and sitting there and allowing. But if it's something you want so bad it's making you sick, maybe you should get up and see how you can manifest it in your experience. I'm going to read The Gentle Gardener for you. Be your own person. Be a conscious co-creator. The gentle gardener is visiting you at this moment in your life to remind you that your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs create the reality you experience. She is the embodiment of the energy within you that is sent out into the field of co-creation and ensures that all that you are is reflected in the world of form. Are you aware of your thoughts? What's their quality? Believe in limitless possibility and you will see miracles unfold. The gentle gardener guarantees the integrity of everything you send out into the world. Stay positive and expect a wondrous return. Your garden is abundant with beauty. This is also telling me if you're looking for a lover to take care of you, are you taking care of yourself? Are you brushing your own hair? Are you making yourself happy? Are you making yourself happy by singing, by dancing, by playing music? Or are you a grumpy grumps and want somebody to come there and do these things for you? Or are you grumpy in your solitude and is looking for somebody to come and compensate for that happiness that you feel you can't create, you can't feel on your own. This is the higher aspect. This is your higher self, but you're still looking up at it. You're still looking. You're still looking up towards it. You're still looking for it to guide you and to supply you with inspiration and new ideas, and flow new ideas and inspirations and new dreams your way. But you're burning the letters to it. You're burning all the letters that say, I am going to sit here and write because, somebody told me that that this works. There is a lesson of listening here, but also listening to what's not being said and being discerning. Use your discernment when you listen to other people. Find your own truth. Find what really resonates with you. Even if it's that little bird going in the different, even if it's the voice of that little bird, as opposed to this humongous creature. Even if it's a teeny tiny new way of thinking or a thought pattern that's beginning to emerge, and it's not going with the grain, it's not going with the status quo. Can you be still enough to hear it? Can you be light enough as to walk on air? Carrying that crystallized wisdom. This for me looks like that talisman card with the crystallized wisdom, but it's not heavy, because it's just the essence of that wisdom and not all the experiences. She's not carrying with her the experiences of the past. She's carrying the essence of the lesson she's learned. And allowing herself to listen to the music that's being played. Listen to how it's all being orchestrated with all the musical notes there. Listen to how beautiful the melody is, the melody of creation. Oh yes, and I'm gonna leave a link to Matthias De Stefano's I'm gonna leave a link to the channel that he uses to we started this journey of the I am. Okay, I'm gonna leave all the explanation to him. I'm gonna leave a link to his channel. Yesterday we worked with the I Can, And this is what this reading is about. I can create that relationship that I long for. I can, me. I'm not delegating my responsibility to create to my higher self. I am the universe in ecstatic motion. Rumi knew this. It's not just Mattia Stefano that woke up one day and went like, oh, I think I'm the universe. The universe has been waking up to itself for, I don't know, forever. And really, and snapping out of the dream of, I am just a, and snapping out of the dream of, I am just my identity. I am just this body. I am just this form. Snap. I am the universe. In all its ecstatic beauty, I am the universe. It's been going on forever. It's the game of hide and seek that Alan Watts talks about. It's the Maya that the Indians talk about. We've always known this. Our inner selves, our inner knowing has always known this. But then the ego sometimes blinds us to that truth. Because we listen to people a lot and we rely on people to tell us who we are a lot. Find out who you are for yourself. That's all I have for you, Taurus. Leave me a comment and tell me if it resonated. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you'd like to be part of the channel, please do subscribe. And until next time, I'm sending you much love, and I'm hoping you stay safe. Bye for now.